Welcome to our channel. If you want better banking services without paying more, follow these step-by-step instructions to upgrade your account tier. Step 1. Research premium account benefits offered by your bank. Higher tier accounts typically include perks like waived ATM fees, higher interest rates, and relationship bonuses. Step 2. Review the requirements to qualify for premium accounts without monthly fees. Most banks waive fees for maintaining minimum combined balances across all accounts. Step 3. Calculate your total relationship balance, including checking, savings, and investment accounts. Banks often count all linked accounts toward balance requirements for premium tiers. Step 4. Consider whether you can meet the minimum requirements consistently. Don't upgrade if keeping sufficient balances will be difficult or cause financial stress. Step 5. Contact your bank to discuss upgrading your account. Ask specifically about current promotions or offers that might reduce requirements or provide bonuses for upgrading. Step 6. Transfer funds between accounts to meet premium tier thresholds. Moving savings or other funds to your primary bank may unlock premium benefits at no cost. Step 7. Link external accounts if your bank allows it for meeting balance requirements. Some institutions count balances from outside accounts held at other financial institutions. Step 8. Set up alerts to monitor your balance and ensure you don't drop below minimums. Falling below thresholds triggers monthly fees and eliminates premium benefits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.